can you tell me more, Bryan, about the background to this exciting change as regards your name?
Yeah, this has been something that's been discussed within the student movement for the last number of years. I think ultimately students found it was very important to kind of embrace our native language, that we embraced it more within the organisation and meaningfully started to use it. And we thought that was important within the name change. When we look at other national student unions across Europe, majority of them only have their student union name in their native tongue. So we felt it was important to be able to match that, but meaningfully start re-embracing our Irish language.
And I asked Pádraig McBride in our interview last week, was there much of a debate at your annual conference? Because some people, I imagine, were against or are against, are they?
Yeah, well, the majority of the speakers were overwhelmingly positive towards it. They saw it was a great kind of step for us to take in kind of reclaiming our language again and try to reignite the passion for Gaeilge in this country. Now, there were some people that kind of were debating against this. There's always the fear is that, change is very different, and having an Irish name when you have a lot of international students could come, it could be very confusing to them to understand what we are. But we felt like for us, it was just an important one that we did re-embrace the language, and we could be able to discuss it down the line and be able to explain it down the line when students were interacting with the new name change.